if you are planning to book your IELTS exam for the month of April 2021, then this video is definitely for you guys, because in this video we are going to tell you the dates of IELTS exams, both British Council, IDP, academic and general training, the overall prediction for those exam dates, and also some another vital information regarding those exam patterns. So if you are planning to book your exam in April, then please watch this video till the end. Don't skip it, because there might be a crucial information in between every second or every minute. So before starting this video, welcome to Stars of Knowledge London channel, and we are going to start a video. First, I'm going to give you how many dates there are to book an exam. So well, in the month of April 2021, you have 4 different dates, total 4 dates to give your exam. If we talk about academic exam, that is pen paper based, as you can see on the screen, in the month of April, either it's British Council or IDP, the dates we have is 10th of April, 17th of April, 24th of April and 29th of April. 3 Saturdays and 1 Thursday. And also, if we talk about the journal training IELTS exam, so there are only 2 dates in the month of April to book journal training exam in both IDP and British Council, and those dates are 17th of April and 24th of April. So these are the 4 dates for academic and 2 dates for the journal training to book your exam. Now let's talk about these 4 dates, what kind of a exam we can have in that. So our first exam in the month of April will be on 10th of April 2021, that is a Saturday, and only IELTS academic exam will be there on this date, and that exam will be mostly easy but easy to moderate. Moving on, if we talk about the second exam in the month of April 2021, so that is on 17th April 2021. Again, it's a Saturday. On this day, we have IELTS academic and journal training exams. So we have 2 exams on this date, and prediction is that they will be easy to moderate. Further, let's talk about the third exam in the month of April 2021. That is on 24th of April 2021. Again, it's on a Saturday. We have both exams on this day, that is IELTS academic and a journal training exam, and this exam will be moderate. And the last exam for the month of April 2021, that is the 4th exam, and it's going to be IELTS academic only on Thursday 27th April 2021, and this exam could be little moderate. So guys, these are the overall prediction for the April 2021 exams, their dates. So if you're planning to book your exam in April 2021, you can choose any of these dates. The detailed prediction which we provide, that will be on the channel soon. We normally provide it maybe a week or 2 or 3 weeks before the exam, so that will be on the channel soon. You can also subscribe this channel so that you get the notification when we publish those videos on our channel. Now guys, third and the last thing which I want to tell you about this, that we have published a video in the name of Writing Task 2 Topics Jan to April 2021, and I'm glad to say that there are few topics which came in the January and the month of February in the real IELTS exam. So you can just watch that video, you can take those topics and prepare them for your exam, because they have the high probability that you might have an exam from those topics in the month of April. And also for the speaking, IELTS speaking, I want to mention that part 1 till April 2021 topics of IELTS speaking video is already published on the channel for you guys to watch. And for the cue cards, all the new cue cards, there is a cue card series 2021 available on our channel. All the cue cards are mentioned, explained in details, so you can just memorize them if you want to, or you can just take some ideas from those cue card topics and you can prepare for that. And if we talk about the IELTS speaking part 3 follow-up questions related to those new QCA topics, then videos will be anytime soon on the channel for you to watch for the month of April 2021 IELTS speaking part 3 follow-up questions. So you can watch that on our channel. And also we will be giving you by the end of this month April Q card predicted topics after the complete analysis has been done, so that you might know that which Q cards out of those all Jan to April Q cards which have a high probability to come in the month of April 2021. So we'll be publishing that video, but by the end of month of March, for you to prepare for your April IELTS speaking. And also guys, we have this fun community page where we put some spellings for you to vote. So just go there, do all those spellings. It's a very easy and a fun way to learn a spelling each day. And those spellings are the common spelling which kids make mistakes in IELTS listening exams. So you can just visit the community page and do those votings. So guys, this is the video. I hope students you like this video. If you do, please click on the like button. Also subscribe our channel Stars of Knowledge Jalandhar. Hit the bell icon so that you get notifications on, you get all the feeds. And thanks for watching this video. Best of luck for booking the exams, doing the exams and the results. Thank you students.